Second, see what was the question. We have to factorize this algebraic expression. Question was 8x cube minus 1 by 27y cube. So first of all, I have converted 8 into 2 cube. So 8x cube means 2x whole cube minus 1 by 3y whole cube. Now this became in form of a cube minus b cube, and we will use that formula a cube minus b cube. Always show your formula or identity whatever using, because you will get step marking for that. So I have written a minus b, and within bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So if you will see, I have written everywhere with each and every question just for you, so that it became habit of the student to mention their identities. So a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b, within bracket a square plus ab plus b square. But in my equation there is no ab, so I have just used 2x and 1 by 3y, and this is our equation. Now we will solve it little bit. 2x minus 1 by 3y, 2x square means 4x square, 2x into 1 by 3y is 2x by 3y, plus 1 by 3 is a 9y square, and here answer is over. These are the two factors of given expression. Now this question, x square plus x to the power 5. If I was thinking that can we convert x square as cube terms, or can we convert x to the power 5 as cube terms? No, we can't. Then what I did, I have taken x square as common. That will be our first factor of given equation. Then what is the remaining thing inside the bracket? Here x square is outside, so there is only 1. And for x to the power 5, because x square is outside the bracket, so here is x cube, because 2 plus 3 is 5, and we multiply. That was the rule of power and exponent. If the bases are same, then powers, and they are with multiplication sign, then power will be added. Back to the topic, x square into 1 plus x cube. Now we can use formula of 1 cube plus b cube, because 1 means 1 cube, x cube, so 1 a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So I did it here, x square 1 plus x into 1 square, that is a square, minus 1 into x, that is a into b, plus b square. So in next step, x square 1 plus x, 1 minus x plus x square. This is our answer. There are three factors of this given equation. First factor is x square, second factor is 1 plus x, and third factor is 1 minus x plus x square. Now question number 4, second sub question. As you can see that 32x to the power 4 and minus 500x is given. Neither 32 is cube of any number nor 500 is cube of any number. So what I did, I have taken 4 as common. Okay. Then one more thing we can take as common, that was x. Now it became 4 8 is 32 and x cube. And here 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, and 4 5 is 20. 125, 4 is 500. So only 125 is left because x is outside the bracket. So now we are having our first factor, that is 4x. Now we are going to solve this one. First of all, we convert 8x cube as whole cube number. So this is 2x cube, and 125 we will write as 5 cube. Okay, now a cube minus b cube, we will use this formula. So we'll get 4x into 2x minus 5 plus 2x square plus ab, that is 2x into 5 plus b square, that is 5 square. So it is 4x into 2x minus 5 into 2 2 is 4 x square plus 2 5 is 10 x plus 5 5 is 25. So here are three factors of this algebraic expression. Now we will see question number 5 first. 27x cube y cube minus 8. We knew that 8 is equals to 2 cube, that is 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, so I have written 2 cube. And for 27 I have written 3, because 3 into 3 9, 9 3 are 27. So overall this is like that, 3xy whole cube. Okay, instead of writing 3 cube x cube y cube, what I did, I have written 3xy whole cube. So it became like a single term, minus 2 cube. Then we applied the formula of a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Then 3xy minus 2, a square, that is 9x square, y square. Then 3 2 just 6xy, 2 square is 2 2 just 4. So these are the two factors of this algebraic expression. So in this video, up to this question only, children. Bye bye.